Hello folks, I welcome you to this channel. It's been an honor having you here with me. In today's discussion, I would like to talk to you about the continuation of our tutorial on how to import successfully from China. In my previous tutorials, I've walked you through one of the shipping logistic company that we can use to import from China, which is Chrisvicmall. So in today's lesson, I would like to walk you through how you can withdraw funds from your Chrisvicmall account directly into your mobile wallet. Many people have contacted me in how they can withdraw from their Chrisvicmall account back into their mobile wallet with one or two reasons. So without much ado, let's get into the thick of this tutorial. You launch your preferred choice of browser, just as I've done, and at this very section or this very interface, you come and say login. If you already have an account with Chrisvicmall, you come and click on login, and you go and enter your username and that of your password. So in my case, for instance, I've successfully logged in. So when you come to this very section on my left hand side, you see logout, meaning I'm logged in. So I'll now go to dashboard. So I click on dashboard. I wait for a little while so that it takes me into my account dashboard. Well, currently there is $134.36 in the account at the very moment, and I would like to withdraw the money back into my MTN number or Momo account. So in order to do that, we come to my wallet. I click on it to collapse. Then I would like to show you something before we go into the nitty-gritty of it. So I come to withdrawal request. I click on it. I wait for a while so that it takes me to the dashboard. Now in this interface, when you are here, this is where you can withdraw the money, that is your old money, into your mobile wallet or into your bank account, or anyhow you want to do it. But let's quickly take a critical look at something here. You see, it says select source is empty. So this means that if we are coming to withdraw the money, we don't have any source, like where the money should go to is empty. So there is something that we need to do first before we proceed to this very section. So in order to do that, we come to my wallet. Under my wallet, you see add withdrawal info. I click on it. I wait. This means that yes, this is the withdrawal information section. This at this very place, it says make sure to fill the information correctly. This simply means that we want to input the name of where we want to withdraw the money to, and Chrisvicmall is urging us to ensure the information we put here is correct. So I quickly put in the name I wanna withdraw the money to. So I enter the name successfully. I cross check. In my case, for instance, I'm going to withdraw the money onto a mobile wallet. So you have to input the name that you've used to register the mobile wallet or the mobile money at this very section. That's the payee name. Then account number, you put the account number there. So in my case, for instance, as I said earlier, I'm withdrawing into mobile money wallet, so mobile money account. So you have to input the name that you've used to register the mobile wallet here at a payee name. Then account number, you put in the mobile number that you've used to register the mobile money, you put it here, and you ensure the number you've put there is correct. Now source, I click here, then I come and select Ghana. If for any reason you are in Nigeria or any other country or even in Ghana and you don't want to withdraw the money into your mobile wallet, you can enter the bank account number here, the name on the bank account, then the source. You come and select if it is EcoBank, UBA Ghana, if it is UBA Nigeria, and so on and so forth. You select. However, if you are withdrawing into your mobile wallet, then if you're in Ghana, you put in the name that you've used to register your mobile number here, the mobile number here, and all that. If you're in Nigeria too, you can do the same. Then we have other options here, and you are just good to go. So in my case, for instance, I'm pushing this into a Momo or mobile money account. So I select Ghana mobile money, then I come and click add info. I wait to get an update on the system. Within some few seconds, depending on how fast your internet connectivity is, it should do that. So the system is still loading. So it is done. Now I can go to dashboard. I go to dashboard. So from the top rectangular box, you see an inscription, account details added successfully. This means that I can now proceed successfully to go and withdraw funds from my account. So I now go to my wallet. I don't go back to add withdrawal info. I now go to withdrawal request. I click on it. Now, do you see that at this select source, I have the name here, the number, and the source or whatever it is here. So when you get here to, with all due respect, I will urge you to check the information very well. Now at this side also, you're trying as much as possible to read all what has been encrypted here, so that for better understanding. In order to withdraw funds back into your account, as to whether your bank account or your mobile wallet, it will take approximately 7 to 14 days for the money to be credited into your account. So kindly take note. The same way, if you want to transfer your money from your Chrisvic account into maybe a friend's Chrisvic account, you can come to this very section and proceed. But at this very tutorial, we are focusing on how to withdraw our own funds back into our account. So when you come here, this is the exchange rate. Chrisvic is giving you $1 to be 5 cedis, 75 pesos. That is if you are in Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, the exchange rate may differ, so kindly take note. So withdrawal amount. How much are you willing to withdraw? Are you withdrawing all the funds from your Chrisvic account into your mobile wallet or your bank account? Any amount you wish to withdraw, you enter the amount in dollars, please, not in cedis nor in naira. As we have the account balance showing here, you enter what you want to withdraw in dollars. In my case, for instance, I would like to withdraw all the funds in my wallet. I'm stuck at something, so I need this money to do something. So I scroll down a little. Then in my case, for instance, I cross-check if everything I've entered is correct, the phone number, the name, and everything, if it is correct, before I click submit. Everything is correct, so I click submit request. I wait for a while. Great. Automatically, upon submitting my request, you see the account balance goes to 0. Then at the top in the rectangular box with a green background, you see an inscription. Say fund withdrew successfully. You will receive payment between 7 to 14 days. That's before 18th July 2020. So this is how we successfully withdraw funds from our Chrisvic account. Let me go back to dashboard, and we will see that our account now is 00. So just as you can see, so I wait patiently from today. In 7 to 14 days, then I'll get the funds sent into my account. Folks, thank you for joining my tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, I'll plead with you to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Share with your friends to keep in touch. In any way you have any challenge in withdrawing funds from your Chrisvic account, kindly check the video description and you see my WhatsApp number there. You chat me so that I assist you whenever and when necessary. In my subsequent tutorial, I'll share with you other legitimate shipping companies or agents that will aid you to ship successfully into Ghana, Nigeria, or elsewhere at a lesser shipping rate. Stay tuned and see you in the next tutorial.